We've just acquired this BMW 530 diesel GT, very rare car. It has a huge specification on it. It's in stunning condition, drives absolutely spot on. It's got the 20-inch alloy wheels. They were a £2,000 option extra. It's all wheels are running on 4 Pirelli P0 tyres, so you can tell the car's been looked after. It's not running on any budgets. The wheels are in immaculate condition. It's got the rear park distance control, got the reverse camera on this car as well. You can see boot space is absolutely stunning, been really well looked after. No dinks, dents, scratches, absolutely stunning. Got climate control in the rear as well. Panoramic sunroof, tilt and slide. Electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors. Full leather interior to Dakota. Automatic headlights. It's only done 85,626 miles, and it doesn't look like it's done that mileage or drive like it. Got satellite navigation, heated seats, reverse camera with position control, Bluetooth connectivity obviously, different ways of driving it, normal, sport, eco, pro and comfort, full media package, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel. The car drives superb. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including part exchange, finance packages, warranty packages and drive away insurance if applicable to the age of the vehicle. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.